So we got this Gary Fisher intake and evaluation Genesis. That means it's a girl's bike. It's aluminum. I don't know what year it is or anything like that. The volunteer already started cleaning it and stripping it down before I could get the intake evaluation. So it did have that seat and those pedals, the good old days, and those bar ends. So this is a cool bike. Wouldn't take very much to fix it up. I do believe there was a shock on the front of this when it was brand new. This was a mountain bike someone converted into a touring bike. So it does have the 3 rings up front, and I believe it might even have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 by 9, wow. 27 gears. It's got a little rust on the bottle, but looks like she slammed her handlebars. So tell me what you think about this. Of course, Trek Bong Trader bought out Gary Fisher. Gary Fisher, California, Gary Fisher. All right, this video is brought to you by the Virtual Bike Kitchen. Thanks for watching.